Hey friends, Laura back here with the Mom Edit today to talk about one of my favorite brands. I feel like the brand of the year, in my opinion, Quince. Thank you so much to Quince for sponsoring this video. They are such a great place to find great pieces for travel, capsule wardrobe for the office, for summer, for those transitional seasons. I was excited to try out some new pieces that I hadn't tried yet and a couple of favorites that I love, and I feel like this little collection try on today could be a beautiful like packing list for a little trip. Got lots in store, so let's get to it. First up, I want to talk about one of my favorite pieces. I tried this a few weeks ago and I freaking love it. It's this linen scoop neck midi dress. I have so much trouble finding dresses. I have a shorter torso, I've got like a butt and thighs, wide rib cage, things that are tricky to fit in dresses. This dress has pockets. It has a beautiful scoop neck. It comes up a little higher on under the arms, which I love. There's ruching in the back. It has adjustable straps. It's got a slit in the back. It kind of hits mid-calf, mid-shin. It is phenomenal. It could be dressed up or down easily. It's just the fit is wonderful. The construction is beautiful and I love it. Another piece that I fell in love with on this try on, I had other crew neck cotton sweaters from Quince before. The Fisherman rib sweater has been a long time favorite of mine because of the price point and the quality. And this time I tried on the crew neck in this white with black stripe. So cute, really beautifully made. The cotton is heavy without being hot. This is so comfortable. The cotton is great. The fit is so lovely and the details are great. It hits at the right spot. I find Quince's sizing to run true to size, but I realized recently that I was wearing too big of sweaters. They were just too overwhelming on my frame and my shorter torso. So I went back down to a small for this and the cardigan, and that was the right choice. Highly recommend this. I know it comes in other colors too, solids. I just can't resist a stripe for spring. And while we're on that outfit, let's talk about the Ponte pants because they are phenomenal. I got them in a black and they are just really well made. They feel good on. They're not too constricting like some other brands of Ponte pants that I've tried. I actually really love these better. They have a little more give without being too thin. They've got belt loops. They're great for the office. They are pull-on style, which to me just makes them way more comfy. I've been wearing them most of the day today and I love them. They would be great for travel. They would be so versatile. If you need a go-to black pant, these are really great. Okay, next up is a really fun set that I also tried on a couple weeks ago, but wanted to include in this video today. It's a linen fitted tank and linen pants in this gorgeous chili red. I love a matching set for summer. It just takes the guesswork out of it. I typically have trouble wearing fitted stuff like this, getting it to fit right. But again, it has the ruching at the back, which is helpful for fit. It also has a couple of buttonholes so you can adjust the straps a little bit. Pants are just so comfy and lovely. They have pockets. They're like maybe a little wider than a straight leg or just at a kind of a true straight leg. So not too wide, not too narrow or tapered. Love this set. It comes in other colors as well. Both pieces do. They run true to size. Really great. Now we get to the cardigan. This one is perfect. I've been wearing it again. I've been wearing it today. The color is just lovely and neutral and gorgeous, and I'm gonna wear this thing all the time. I'm wearing this here with the flare leggings. They have a nice high waist. They're not too constrictive or tight. They're just a nice like go-to flare legging. They're so comfortable. They'd be great for travel if you kind of like to travel in more like athletic wear, that kind of vibe. Another dress that I can actually wear. I have owned this before, the washable silk slip dress. I own it in navy from Quince and I have loved it for a few years. I've written articles on it in the past about it being like just an easy go-to piece. Obviously a slip dress is perfect for warmer weather. I got it in black this time. Washable silk, again true to size. It is just a dream to put on and wear and I felt so good in it. If you do not own this washable silk slip dress, highly recommend. Next up, this adorable stretch chore jacket. Sometimes these are heavy or too boxy, too oversized, just too much of a coat or jacket. These are some of the utility jackets I've tried. This one is perfect. It's in a stretch material, so it's like super comfy and easy to wear. It's really soft, but it still has some structure. I really like it. It'll just be such a good go-to piece. And like I said, I love how soft it is. If you've been around the Mom Edit at all, you know that I have loved some of Quince's bags for a few years. You might recognize this one. It is my like go-to summer bag. You can see by how full it is. This is the woven crossbody. It's amazing. I love it. But today I am here to talk about one of the newer styles, the little crossbody top handle. It's just so chic and lovely. It comes in a few different colors of leather. It has this adorable brass closure. It's got your interior divider plus a small front pocket. It's got a little pocket on the back. It's got a crossbody strap that you can adjust to different lengths or remove if you want to. I just love the structure. This style bag is so in right now. It's just a nice like going out bag, or when you want to just kind of like level up your outfit a little bit. And last but not least, certainly not least, because it might be one of my favorite pieces of the whole thing, this woven leather tote from Quince is so beautiful. It's gonna be my go-to tote for an upcoming trip. The handles are long enough on this. I recently got another fancy bag that I returned because the handles were too short and I couldn't fully put it on my shoulder. This one, nice handles that are long enough but not too long to get in the way. Construction is just beautiful. This chocolate brown color is so good, but it comes in some other shades as well, and the leather just feels so nice. It's got a couple of interior pockets and it's got a zipper pocket so you can organize a few things in there, and it will obviously fit whatever you need up to a laptop or anything. All right, friends, that's it for me today. I hope you are as excited about these pieces as I am. I can't wait for these to make my packing much easier, but all of these pieces are going to be so interchangeable and so like versatile and go-to. I was just really impressed. As always, all the links are down below. If you like what we are doing here with the Mom Edit, please like and subscribe. And happy travels, happy summer. I'll see you next time.